For ages, Pakistan has been leaving no stone unturned to flourish their agenda, be it political, economic, or worse, humanitarian crisis. Amid the recent killing of popular Punjabi singer, Sidhu Moosewala, Pakistan found it as an apt situation to sail their ship of propaganda. With the news of Sidhu Moosewala being shot dead in Mansa, Punjab, the keyboard warriors from Pakistan found their seasonal employment by mushrooming on the hashtag #RawKilledMoosewala and changing the narrative of the incident. The news first came out at around 6:15 p.m. on May 29th, and the first tweet posted on Twitter was from a Pakistani account. Many accounts tweeted the hashtag #RawKilledMoosewala. All these users have blamed and spread disinformation of raw killing Sidhu Moosewala. All of these accounts belong from Pakistan. Some accounts specifically came forth for this very purpose, and after pushing the agenda they changed their username. Soon after, renowned personalities from Pakistan picked the agenda. Some Sikh organizations jumped in to fuel the facade. They even attempted to draw parallels between 1984 and the killing of Moosewala. All seemed to be copying each other's content to escalate the fake narrative. A total of 26 accounts contributed, all being Pakistani, and among them most of them were of PTI. Keeping in light the current political turmoil in Pakistan, planting such seeds of hatred is obvious to defame the governing political body. Even self-proclaimed news agencies of Pakistan did not shy away from pushing the propaganda, with motive being only one: to incite Sikhs towards India. Along with the hateful and disturbing narratives, some fake news on different political parties are coming forth. Such fake campaigns have become the hallmark of Pakistan's deep state.